I'm a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in HVAC servicing thousands of home heating systems. Today's goal is helping you understand what actually matters when buying a boiler, not reading a sales brochure. We're looking at the Peerless Series WBV and the Bryant BW4. On paper, both heat your home reliably, but once you look past the basic marketing, there are a few practical differences you'll want to keep in mind. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which boiler has the higher efficiency rating. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning, maintaining, and repairing that equipment over the next 15 or 20 years. The biggest technical differences between these two units come down to warranty coverage and efficiency. The Peerless Series WBV sits at an 87.5% AFU rating, while the Bryant BW4 comes in slightly lower at 86.2% AFU. AFU is basically your boiler's fuel efficiency. That 1.3% difference means the Peerless turns just a tiny bit more of every gallon of oil you buy into actual heat inside your living room rather than sending it up the chimney. In real-world fuel bills, though, that small gap only translates to a handful of dollars a year, so it shouldn't be your deciding factor. Where the comparison gets more interesting is long-term protection on the core components. Think of the heat exchanger as the heart of the boiler. It's the cast iron component transferring heat from the fire to your home's water system. Peerless backs their heat exchanger with a full lifetime warranty, whereas Bryant offers a 20-year warranty. On the flip side, Bryant gives you 5 years of coverage on electrical parts like controls and transformers, while Peerless only gives you 1 year. Electrical controls are usually what fail first in the field, so that extra coverage from Bryant is a nice safety net early on. However, replacing a cracked heat exchanger down the road is far more expensive, which makes the Peerless lifetime backing attractive for long-term ownership. Neither of these units uses complex two-stage burners or modulating controls, which keeps both models pleasantly simple. In oil heating, simple is often a huge blessing. Fewer fancy electronics mean fewer proprietary parts to fail on a freezing Sunday night when parts houses are closed. Both rely on standard cast iron construction and non-condensing designs, making annual maintenance straightforward for any competent technician. Here is what the brochures won't tell you. The brand name on the jacket matters far less than the quality of the installation. A mid-grade boiler installed by a meticulous technician who sizes the piping correctly and sets up combustion properly will outlast a premium unit slapped in by someone cutting corners. Oil boilers require an annual cleaning, a new nozzle, and a proper draft check every single year. When looking at verified equipment pricing, the equipment costs are remarkably close. The Peerless Series WBV typically runs right around $2,800 to $3,100 for the bare equipment, while the Bryant BW4 lands in the $2,700 to $3,000 range, depending on supplier availability. Because installation labor makes up the bulk of your total invoice, the upfront cost difference between these two is practically negligible. The Peerless Series WBV is probably better for homeowners who plan to stay in their home for the long haul and want the ultimate peace of mind that comes with a lifetime heat exchanger warranty. The Bryant BW4 is a great pick if you want slightly better built-in warranty protection on the electronics during those initial 5 years. If it were my house and I was spending my own money, I'd lean toward the Peerless Series WBV. The slightly higher efficiency rating combined with lifetime heat exchanger backing makes it a marginally better long-term investment for an oil system. Just make sure you pair it with a technician who takes pride in their installation work and commits to doing proper annual maintenance.